here is the starting point of the nature trail. I'm gonna travel with fast speed and slow speed, so run and walk. This area is protected, and I think that is the reason why there is this sign that no dogs are allowed to come to this trail. And the other sign is saying that this track is in use only in summertime. And as you can see, there are a lot of wooden stairs and steps in this trail, of which I'm going to run now. Let's go. So this trail is man-made because the area is so wet and you need to cross the river in many spots that it would be almost impossible to travel through this trail without these wooden elements like stairs and duckboards. There is a quite new residential area just right next to the trail and the river. In this spot there used to be a paper factory in 1970s and 80s, but now it has changed to the living area. Just a few decades ago, the water of the river might change during the day because the factory put all its waste without cleaning it to the river. But in 1990s, the situation changed when the area got wastewater treatment plant. As you can see, the water level is quite low in this part of the river, and it has almost dried. So here we are on the other end of the nature trail, and there are 108 steps in these stairs. For me, this area resembles a little bit jungle with all these noises, voices, and this thick nature. And in this part of the river, the water is higher and it's flowing. This trail is right next to the city, but still it's quite in natural habitat. Of course, there are traces of a human both in trees as well as on the ground. This area is a meeting point between urban living and nature.